A day in the life of Lily follows a cheerful girl through a day of laughter, learning, and love, from morning birdsong to family time under the stars.
One sunny morning, Lily woke up to the sound of birds chirping outside her window.
Good morning.
Her mom said cheerfully.
Time to wake up.
Lily rubbed her eyes and stretched.
Let's get out of bed.
She thought to herself as she slid her feet onto the floor. She made her way to the bathroom.
I am brushing my teeth.
She hummed while looking in the mirror.
Don't forget to wash your face.
Her mom reminded her from the kitchen.
What should I wear today?
Lily wondered as she opened her closet. After some thought, she picked out a bright yellow shirt.
I like this shirt.
She exclaimed.
Can you help me tie my shoes?
She asked her dad, who was sipping coffee nearby. At breakfast, Lily smiled.
Mom, can I have some milk? What's for breakfast?
Eggs and toast, dear.
Her mother replied warmly. Lily wrinkled her nose.
I don't like eggs. Can I just have toast?
Of course.
Her mother said, pouring her some juice.
Can I have some more juice?
Lily asked gently after finishing her glass.
Anything for you, dear?
Her mother said with a smile.
I am ready for school.
She called out as she grabbed her backpack.
Where is my lunchbox?
Her mom handed it to her and reminded her.
Don't forget your lunchbox.
Can I take my toy with me?
Lily asked.
Not today.
Her dad said with a smile.
It's cold outside.
Let's hurry, or we'll be late.
Her mother said with a smile. At school, Lily greeted her teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
She said cheerfully.
Good morning, Lily. Today, we'll talk about storybook heroes.
The teacher said. Lily's eyes lit up.
She sat down and whispered to her friend.
I love drawing. And you?
As the teacher spoke about a brave boy who could fly.
Lily listened closely. Her notebook open and ready for doodles.
At recess, Lily and her friends dashed outside. Laughter filling the air.
Let's go to the swings.
She called. Racing ahead to grab a sport. After a while, she turned to her friends.
How about a game of jump rope?
She suggested, holding one end while her friends spun the rope. When Lily got home, she called out.
I'm home.
Her mom asked.
How was your day?
I learned something new today.
Lily said proudly, unpacking her bag.
Can I have a snack?
She asked.
I want to drink water, too.
At dinner, Lily sat down at the table eagerly.
What's for dinner, Mom?
She asked, sniffing the delicious aroma wafting from the kitchen.
Spaghetti.
Her mother smiled. Placing a steaming plate of noodles before Lily.
Yay! I love spaghetti.
Lily said, clapping her hands happily. She twirled noodles on her fork, then paused at the broccoli.
I love vegetables too.
She smiled, picking up a piece of broccoli and taking a bite. Her mother smiled proudly.
My daughter is so good.
Lily smiled happily. And they're delicious. Especially with spaghetti. After dinner, Lily played with her neighbor.
Let's play hide and seek,
She said.
I will count first. Ready or not, here I come.
Later, they built a tower together.
Be careful, don't break it. It's your turn,
Her friend said as they switched games. They raced to the tree in the backyard.
I won.
Lily said, laughing.
That was so much fun. Can we play again?
As the evening came to an end, Lily waved goodbye.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
It was time for bed. Lily cleaned up her toys.
Time to clean up.
Her mother reminded. And Lily quickly cleaned up. After a warm bath, she said.
The water is too warm. I'm ready to put on my pajamas.
She added as she climbed into bed.
Can I have some milk?
Lily asked, lying down.
Let's read a story,
She said, handing her mother her favorite book.
I want my favorite blanket.
Lily said, hugging her teddy bear tightly.
Don't forget to brush your teeth.
Her mother reminded.
Good night, dear mother.
After a tight hug, she whispered.
I'm going to sleep. See you tomorrow morning.